Hi and welcome to our AI sales assistant proof of concept. I'll start by walking towards him and a text field opens up and I'll write, "Hi, who are you?"
I am Dominic, an assistant working for Domino Printing. How can I assist you today?
We need a barcode labeler for a label size 3 by 5 inches that is robust. What would you recommend?
For a robust barcode labeler that can handle a label size of 3 by 5 inches, I would recommend the M230ITB4 from Domino Printing. It is designed for high-speed applications and offers non-contact labeling with a built-in blow function.
What would you say about the Zebra CT600 series?
I apologize, but as an assistant working for Domino Printing, I am not able to provide information or recommendations about products from other companies such as the Zebra C600 series. However, I would be happy to provide you with more information about our Domino Printing products if you are interested.
Okay, can you show me the TB applicator?
Sure, I can show you the TB applicator. Here it is, the M Series TB applicator from Domino Printing. Please have a look and let me know if you have any questions about its features or capabilities.
Thank you.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. I'm here to help.